Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Zoe, how old are you? How old are you? Say, look, say, I'm 2. Say, I'm 2. Yeah. Good. Good girl. Just a minute, Erica. I want to get pictures of everybody having their cake here. Happy birthday to Zoe. Can you sing it? Happy birthday to Zoe. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Can you sing it, Rowan? Can you sing it, Erica? Angelica, can you sing it? Can you sing it? Rowan? Let's see if Angelica can sing it. Can you sing happy birthday? Can you say it? Can you say happy birthday, Zoe? Okay, maybe next time. Okay, good? Good? Yeah, yummy. 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 Is it good? Yeah, I say it's good. Let me turn you around so you can sit with Rowan and everybody. Okay, it's easier for you, Teresa. Easier for you to see your friends. Good. You did it. You did it, Addie. That was nice. Hey, Addie, what happened to your bib? You dropped it, didn't you? Oh, well. Yeah, that's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it. Okay, I'm coming back to Zoe over there in just a minute. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. I'm going to bring you over here. We've moved our chairs around. Now we need to move them back. Hi, Zoe. She's the birthday girl.